Hello students, let's continue chapter 11th of science of class 7th, that is transportation in animals and plants. Bujo wonders if sponges and hydra also have blood. Animals such as sponges and hydra do not possess any circulatory system. The water in which they live brings food and oxygen as it enters their bodies. The water carries away waste materials and carbon dioxide as it moves out. Thus, these animals do not need a circulatory fluid like the blood. So, students, such animals are of lower class and all the functions of circulatory system or blood performed by water circulation. Let us now learn about the removal of waste other than carbon dioxide. Recall how carbon dioxide is removed as waste from the body through the lungs during exhalation. Also recall that the undigested food is removed during egestion. Let us now find out how the other waste materials are removed from the body. You may wonder where these unwanted materials come from. Now we will study about excretion in animals. When our cells perform their functions, certain waste products are released. These are toxic and hence need to be removed from the body. The process of removal of waste produced in the cells of the living organisms is called excretion. The parts involved in excretion from the excretory system. So students, this is clear. The process of removal of wastes produced in the cells of the animals is called excretion. The main organs of the human excretory system are kidneys, ureters, urinary bladder, and urethra. Now we will study about these organs one by one. Students, you can see in this figure the human excretory system. Here you can see kidney, ureter, urinary bladder, and urethra. There are two kidneys and they look like purplish brown kidney beans. Blood is filtered in the kidney by the blood capillaries. When the blood entering the two kidneys contains both useful and harmful substances, the useful substances are absorbed back into the blood and the waste dissolved in water and urine is formed. So students, kidneys filter the blood and produce urine. Next, ureters. It is a tube-like structure. The urine from the kidneys goes into the urine bladder through ureter. Urinary bladder. It is a sac-like structure. It stores urine temporarily and then passed into urethra. Urethra is a muscular tube through which urine passes and excretes out by urinary opening. So students, this is clear. The waste which is present in the blood has to be removed from the body. A mechanism to filter the blood is required. This is done by the blood capillaries in the kidneys. When the blood reaches the two kidneys, it contains both useful and harmful substances. The useful substances are absorbed back into the blood. The waste dissolved in water are removed as urine. From the kidneys, the urine goes into the urinary bladder through tube-like ureters. It is stored in the bladder and is passed out through the urinary opening at the end of a muscular tube called urethra. The kidneys, ureters, bladders and urethra from the excretory system. An adult human being normally passes about 1 to 1.8 liter of urine in 24 hours. The urine consists of 95% water, 2.5% urea and 2.5% other waste products. The sweat contains water and salts. It is essential to maintain our body temperature at 37 degrees Celsius. In summer, our body becomes hot due to external heat. So it is important to make our body cool to maintain the body temperature. Sweat evaporates, causing coolness. So our body temperature is maintained at 37 degrees Celsius. Sometimes a person's kidneys may stop working due to infection or injury. As a result of kidney failure, waste products start accumulating in the blood. Such persons cannot survive unless their blood is filtered periodically through an artificial kidney. This process is called dialysis. Paheli wants to know whether other animals also urinate. The way in which waste chemicals are removed from the body of the animal depend on the availability of water. Aquatic animals like fishes excrete cell waste as ammonia, which directly dissolve in water. Some land animals like birds, lizards, snakes excrete a semi-solid white-colored compound that is uric acid. The major excretory product in human is urea. Students, this is the end of today's session. We will continue this chapter in next video. Up till then, thank you.